Hello, everyone. This hill shows no mercy. One patch of black ice, one missed stop, and suddenly cars are sliding like dominoes, piling up in the dark Texas cold.
He's going. Oh. He's got it.
First responders rush to help, then become part of the wreck, proving winter doesn't play favorites.
You can't run, I know. Yeah. In your car! Watch out! Watch out, everybody! Watch out! Shit!
Almost harmless, but one hidden sheet of ice sends this SUV sliding straight into disaster.
Oh, for God. No, don't get... On the brakes. Pump them, let them go, Joe. Not locked there. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck is he doing? This guy hasn't got a clue.
Brakes lock, tires slide, and instinct takes over as the driver swerves at the last possible moment to avoid disaster.
Oh my God.
Tim?
Watch it, guys, watch it. Oh!
It looks calm at first, just snow and parked cars, but danger is already moving. One car slips, another can't stop, and suddenly 10 vehicles are locked in chaos. Nearly 200 collisions in just 24 hours, and this one becomes another mark in a growing list of winter warnings. One by one, they disappear into the whiteout, brakes useless, visibility gone, until the highway turns into a frozen parking lot. One car slows, another can't stop, and momentum stacks vehicles together as the storm tightens its grip.
There we go. Oh. Easy, easy, easy.
One impulsive move turns winter fun into a roadside brawl where reactions matter more than intentions. Stay with us. This is about to get intense. Steering means nothing now. Brakes do nothing, and every second stretches longer on this frozen slope. Tires spin helplessly as vehicles slide downhill one by one, turning a quiet mountain stretch into a chain reaction. This is a powerful reminder that winter roads forgive no mistakes. Slow down, stay alert, and respect the conditions, because arriving safely matters far more than arriving fast.